Yep, well, we technically got a floor now. Still gotta do some more work. And I pretty much ledged this piece here, put a bottom lip on, so this pan has something to sit on. I'll just get her all welded. I don't care that they're a little bit ugly. You ain't gonna see none of that when the carpet goes in anyway, so. And a little more boom, 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 boom. We're just gonna keep filling in the spots, and I still gotta come back here and do something about this section here. A couple pinholes over there I gotta fix, but yeah, we got a floor anyway. And she's moving along. I mean, granted, I still got to fix up in there, but that's okay. But I need to work on being clean up the weld, so. Alright. Coming along. Next big project's going to be to get the back tied up here. But at least I'll be able to sit right behind there and do a little snip snip and a little bend and try to 90 up the back edge there, and it should be easy enough to get put together. So a lot of room to work back there. Not so complicated as working up in there. Okay, so we're working on this. I mean, the driver's side, of course, it worked out really well. Gave it a bend, a couple of little cuts there for the relief. Just gonna tuck it right up back underneath there. Of course, that side did not come out as pretty, but that was the first side, and whatever. We'll make it prettier. But so far we just kind of got hammered around, wrapped up through there for now. So we'll get it all patched together here. We'll clean up, a little welding. Alright. On to the next part here is try to get this kind of together. So, but hey, all in all, it's starting at least to come together. So things are moving along. Kind of got the back here all put together. So we're gonna be able to use our storage tray again. Okay, it's a little bit a little ugly on this side for the just having the patches welded in and stuff. We still gotta get up here and fix the holes across there, which that's no big deal. We'll get to that, but we still gotta do some work back in here. We got our double laid and patched, all rolled up and folded and welded across there. See, our little tube sits in there pretty good still. Our tub. So we'll build the bracket piece there to hold that, and you know, we'll seal it all up across the top of it and stuff. So yeah, it's coming along, looking way better. I said, a lot easier to be in here and working. This is probably going to be it for this installment. Alright, thanks guys. Be safe.